Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare sardine fish fry. Here is a sardine fish which is really very healthy and tasty. Let's know the benefits of sardine fish. Sardine fish have highest level of omega-3. They contain a great source of calcium and vitamin D. It has low level of mercury. Just add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Salt to taste. Chili powder as per your taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of dhaniya powder. Lime juice. Mix it well. One tablespoon of kabab masala. Mix them gently. Each fish is coated well with masala. Let it rest for whole night. And fish with just 2 tablespoons of oil. Pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry them on both the sides. If you want to consume less oil, then you can fry the fishes in this manner. It's cooked very fast, so hardly it takes just 2 minutes. Similarly, you can deep fry these fishes and it will cook just in 2 to 3 minutes. It's very easy to eat this sardine fish. Just most of them think that it is very difficult to eat this fish since it is too small. Just remove the flesh from the tail part and you can remove the center bone very easily. It is one of the healthiest fish with omega-3. It does not contain any cholesterol level. Then you can eat this fish. It is rich in omega-3. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Stay connected to Healthy Samayal. Thank you. Bye bye.